Today, we're going to demonstrate how to use SmartCheck to make an ear recording on children aged 1 and older.
Hi. Before you start, turn off notifications and put your phone in Do Not Disturb mode. This will prevent calls and texts from interrupting you when you're trying to take a recording. Have your child sit upright in a comfortable place. For young children who may have trouble sitting still, have a second adult help hold the child's head in an upright position for the entire recording. Do not use the device if your child cannot hold still. Sudden movement by the child or parent could result in injury to the ear. Children sometimes have trouble sitting still, especially when they're not feeling well. A TV show, book, or a toy can be a great distraction to help keep them still while you're making a recording. To get started, push the button to turn on the light. Choose the ear that you'll be recording and confirm it in the app. The next step is important to ensure you capture a full view of the eardrum. To do that, you need to straighten your child's ear canal. Most ear canals are slightly curved. Use your free hand to firmly pull the top of the ear up and back. You need to hold the ear in this position until the recording is complete. Hold the device in the same hand as the ear you're going to record, and steady your hand by resting the backs of your small fingers against your child's face. Slowly and gently guide the specula tip into the ear canal. It should look like you're going down a small tunnel, and you may need to angle the specula tip slightly towards your child's nose to follow the natural curve of the ear canal. The eardrum finder arrow will help guide you. And it's okay to tilt your child's head away from their shoulder or even rotate your phone slightly. Once you see the stop hand icon, do not go any deeper. The eardrum has been found and the app will begin an automatic countdown. Gently move the specula tip in a circular motion like this to record a view of the entire eardrum. The recording will end automatically after 6 seconds. It's recommended you record both ears just like your pediatrician would do. Thanks for watching this video. Please visit our SmartCheck website to learn more.